In just a few short years, the way we communicate, write, and even think has been fundamentally altered. You ask it a question, and moments later, you get a thoughtful, detailed answer. But what exactly is happening inside the machine? We are talking about ChatGPT, the most powerful AI conversation tool ever created. ChatGPT isn't searching the web, it's generating the text. It feels like magic, but it's pure engineering. How does a machine generate coherent paragraphs, debug code, and pass exams? We use it every day, but do you actually know what's happening under the hood? Today on Read Less, Learn More, we are going to break down the incredible technology from its massive training data to the transformer architecture that allows this AI to predict the perfect next word every single time. First, let's break the illusion. ChatGPT is not a sentient brain, it is a prediction machine. Think of it as autocomplete on steroids. When you type a sentence, the model isn't thinking, it is calculating the statistical probability of the next word. It knows that after the cat sat on the word mat is 95% likely, while toaster is nearly impossible. But how does it know these possibilities? It had to read a lot. During its training phase, the model ingested a massive chunk of the internet, million of books, Wikipedia articles, and code repositories. It analyzed the patterns of human language from this data to build its understanding of the world. Here is where it gets technical. Computers don't speak English, they speak math. Before your prompt enters the model, it is chopped up into chunks called tokens. A token can be a whole word or just part of a word. The model processes these numbers, not the words themselves. The secret sauce that makes ChatGPT smarter than older AI is the transformer in architecture, specifically something called the attention mechanism. This allows the model to understand context across long paragraphs. It knows that the word bank means money in one sentence and river in another based on the other words around it, making ChatGPT required two steps. First, pre-training. The model reads the internet to learn grammar and facts. But at this stage, it's just a rambling, chaotic machine. That's why we need step 2, RLHF, or reinforcement learning from human feedback. Humans rate the AI's answers, teaching it to be helpful, safe, and conversational. You will often hear about parameters. Think of these as the brain cells of the AI. GPT-3 had 175 billion parameters. GPT-4 is estimated to have over a trillion. Generally, more parameters mean the model can handle more nuance and complex reasoning. Finally, the biggest flaw, hallucinations. Because the model is just guessing the next word based on probability, it can sometimes guess wrong but say it with total confidence. If it doesn't know a fact, it might invent one that sounds plausible. Always verify your facts. Now you know what's happening behind the chat box. If you want to master the future of tech, hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you won't miss out on upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.